What's up, y'all? And thank you for 102 months. That shit's crazy, man. I appreciate you. So, it's probably pretty obvious, but this is gonna be basically kind of a check-in stream, as you surmised already. Bad. Been bad all day. To be honest, right at this very moment, I feel the most okay that I have felt all day. But, yeah. Still not great. Yeah, it's all good. I don't know why it's turned on me so badly very recently, but it has. So, yeah, I am just checking in with y'all. Yeah, about a year. But it did go away for a period of time. So there's that. Yeah. Unfortunately, what I'm probably going to have to do is go further in the medical realm with a specialist, which I really don't want to do. But I don't think I have much choice. Yeah, just remove the stomach. Don't start suggesting things. Wow, it sure does match my symptoms exactly, but that everything does. Boy, it sure does sound like it though. Oh, thank you, JJ. I check it daily, but I haven't checked it since you did that. Thank you. Ooh. Nice. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna, like, mess my brain up about it. Based off of what it says here, I'm out of the range. But I mean, I guess it does say it can occur at any age. I also don't know anybody that has it. That also, basically, like all descriptions of all diseases, it's like, well, it mainly affects these people, but it can be anyone. But, boy, yeah, it sure does really seem like it might be my thing. I don't know. Got to go to a specialist and see if they can figure anything out. It just sounds like a nightmare to me to do it. So I'm trying to... I am actually working on a thing. Food kind of accurately predicted what I was going to be getting up to. Nice parody, dude. I like your parody. Are you a satire account? I'm looking into stuff related to the project that I mentioned. By the way, thanks for the stuff multiples of you sent. Encouraging. Just basically doing things. I didn't expect to get stumped at this particular stage of what I'm doing. But here we are. Yeah. Well, what's happening is that I've looped Nakomi into it, and we're working on things together. It's a joint project now. Where the fuck are account settings? Not here. Oh, weird. Oh no, okay. So that's this. Ah, here we go. There we go. That should fix. Somehow I doubt that. I am super dumb. God damn it. I was trying to do something that involved email, and I'm like, why am I not getting the email? Where's my email? And
He has a flat brain.
Had a filter for those emails. And I was not looking in the filter folder. Richie, thank you for 70 months. Appreciate you. Kiba Wolf, thank you for 89 months. Hey, Lindley, thank you for 39 months. Thank you, and...
He has a flat brain.
Thank you. Very, very, very much appreciated. Alright, so now I can finally move forward on what I was doing. But yeah, I explained the project to Nakomi, and then we've kind of started brainstorming things together, and I think it's gonna be really good working together on that. Sorry, hang tight for a moment. What's wingspan? Verbs. Verbs aren't real. Huh. Tits and cocks and dick sizzles? Sounds pretty good to me. God. The thing I'm trying to do is not cooperating with me, and it's really annoying. Yeah, I was kind of having trouble with the site, essentially. It's related to the project. Basically, yeah, it's very simply I had a desire to write something, and I was talking about that on stream. And basically, I wanted to get some advice and dive into a project. Unfortunately, it's the type of thing that I would want to keep a big secret from y'all. So, there's that. Well, since I'm not really sharing anything and I'm just sitting here, I feel like just chatting is
Oh no, your slug tube's in my sock box.
the way to be. Hey, Pack, thanks for the raid. Welcome, Ponderers. Oh, what's he doing? Telling you. They go goblin mode when I'm in here. Yeah, goblin. Goblin! Little goblin. Are you a little goblin? Are you a little goblin? You little goblin? Are you a little goblin, buddy? Do you want some treats? Big wags. Big wags for treats. Alright. Hold on. These smell good to me, even. All right. Come here, bud. Right here. Right here. Want a shooter? Sit. Sit, regular. Good boy. Lay down. Let's not lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. No. Lay down, buddy. Lay down. Good boy. Bang. Bang. You're sort of doing it. Lay down. Lay down. You're too worked up. You're too worked up. Lay down. You're doing it wrong. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Bang. 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 All right. Sit. Sit. Buddy. You're doing everything out of order. Sit. Good boy. T-Rex. Good T-Rex. High five. Good high five. Good boy. You want another one? Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Lay down. No. Lay down. Lay down. Bang. Good bang. Sit. That's not sit. That's not sit. That's sit. Good sit. T-Rex. High five. Good boy. Bonus high five. Good job. Up. Sir. You did it, bud. Good job. You're just a treat maniac now, aren't you? I have nothing. Quit searching. I have nothing. See? I'll take another high five. Thanks. Thank you. I got a free high five. Can I get another? Good boy, bud. I love you. Good boy. All right. I love my special son. My microscopic boy. To get him to stare at the camera. I don't know. Oh, dang it. The thing I'm trying to do ain't doing. I'm trying to tell it to do. Oh, I might know why. No. I'm doing web stuff. I figured it out. Sort of figured it out. Son of a dang old gun. Yeah, it's related to the project. Just not cooperating with me still. Are they like studio sand? Or are these just random bags of sand? Also, no. Wish I knew better what I was doing here. Getting there. Wow, beer. Betrayed. step forward, 2 steps back. Shit. So I had to check and see what the boy was up to. Finally, I got it to do what I needed it to do, but does it work? This is very much a, if it's not one thing, it's another type of situation. Just a second again. I'm back. Well, it's not working. So, what am I doing wrong? Hmm. That's not what I wanted. What? That works? Why does that work? Son of a dang old dang. Self-taught's probably over-generous. In that situation, the story that I was telling you before, we were surrounded by, like, PhD computer science types, engineers from, you know, big programming-focused companies. There was a, like, DNS dude. There were some PayPal people, like old PayPal, that was built on the old languages of legend and so forth. Not sure if pre-Elon. I'm not sure on the timeline there. The thing I'm trying to do is running into a content security policy directive. What if I just commented it out? Maybe I don't care about security. Right now. At this moment, anyway. Oh, this is not super useful. If I comment it out, it just absolutely fails instantaneously, and nothing else loads at all. So that is not what I want. Well, I'm just trying to, yeah, sure. Self-hosted, yes. Note that connect source was not explicitly set, so default source is used as a fallback. This always happens. I'm venturing into dev on stuff I don't typically dev. So of course that's fucking me up. I mean, I'm essentially just running this from VS Code, and I'm just trying to test, and I'm getting fucking blocked by this CSP shit, and it could be, who the fuck knows. Basically, I cannot connect to an external API right now that I want to connect to because of this. That's where I'm stuck. And I'm not sure how to fix. It just won't connect to the remote URL. No, I'm not. Well, what if, though, it's just unconfigured on my end? I don't think I've ever dealt with content security policy. This is the default thing that's in there. I don't know if I'm supposed to be filling in some of the blanks here. It kind of almost looks that way. Is that so? What do you do for testing then? How do you just run a local, you know, dev server and test? Do you have to spoof SSL? So you're telling me I literally can't go on without doing something needlessly difficult? What's the cool tool? Just shooting the shit. Messing with the thing. Stuck.
Well, sounds like you are having a great time.
It's not bad.
So I didn't realize that your camera could see this much.
Yep.
I'm going to be back away.
Sorry. All right, well, I'll just tell you that it is Twitch.
He has a flat brain.
I'm just trying to do a chatbot connection. I feel like everything else is in place. This is the only blocker. And the documentation here doesn't seem to really mention that this might be an issue. I've set up my whole OAuth. I'm using all the new stuff. Twitch CLI, all that. It's registered. They just don't say anything about SSL here. Biddy Cal, thank you for 47 months. Cymaster, thank you for 79 months. Sorry, I missed you there. I see. So I'm using this as a package. Let me see if I can switch to the security free. Yeah, the WebSocket one. I'm using tmi.js. Well, it looks like... It looks like this checks to see if it should be secure or not. So it will use either WebSocket or WebSocket Secure. So I don't think that's my problem. I don't think this is an authorization problem. This is... I'm pretty sure this is a problem on my end with this app. It is trying to use the secure connection only, though, and I don't know why it's choosing to do that. I'm trying to read tmi.js to see like how it decides. Client, prototype, open connection. It's got a conditional here that says this .secure. If so, WSS. If not, WS. So what's making it decide the client is secure? Because it's not. It's just localhost on a port at HTTP. So it's got to be something about the rest of this web app or the content security policy. I am not using this example. I'm not writing my own socket handling from scratch. I'm using the tmi.js package. Yeah, that. And then I'm using the dice example script that Twitch dev.twitch.tv provides. I wonder if there's like an option I have to specify for it to be secure or not. I really feel like it's just TMI is just determining this on its own. Yes, my Tenosis, you need to keep pace, son. App is registered. I like to get OAuth with a token. You have to have registered the app and da. I'm past all that, which is why I'm looking at the source code for TMI. TMI basically handles all of the different kinds of things and just it abstracts it all away for interacting with Twitch chat. The token that I made is also scoped for chat read and chat edit. Like, is it asking the browser if it's secure and the browser's saying yes? That does make sense. Let me take a look at that. Okay, well, so the options are... I'm using the example options, which is just some JSON objects. So maybe the default is secure? What would be the options? Is that just true or false? Looks like it is. So I would do... secure. What is this? Is this JSON? False. I don't know. Well, it's not a list though. I'm not sure on the formatting here if it's like JSON or YAML. I think it's JSON though. It's just a little funky from what I'm used to. I'm still trying to do a secure connection. Connection... So the way it's set up here is const options, or ops. And then it's already got like identity, which has the username and password, and then channels, which is a list of channels to connect to. And then I just put comma, secure, false, which didn't seem to do the trick. But anyway, then it creates a client with those options. So it does const client equals new tmi.client ops. Basically, I did what you're saying, Master. Pretty much exactly. And that has not seemed to have had an effect.
He has a flat brain.
It's working so well. It's sentient even. Beer, thank you for that gift sub. No semicolons needed in this case, but good call out. I see it in the bundle that I'm making. At the end of that line, it's not a top level option. It's nested in an object called connection. I see. Let's try that. I didn't do that in the right place. It's alright. I did it in my post bundle. So I did it and then I confidently ran the bundler again and it just instantly reverted what I did. I didn't do it in the source file. So I was staring at the bundled file. Nah, you see, there's still something wrong with this content security policy shit. It's using the correct, just regular WebSocket, and it's still giving me this content policy rejection. But if I get rid of that line, the whole fucking app doesn't work. I'll try that again now that I'm trying to do just regular WebSocket and see what happens. Yeah, if I do that, it just spits error, login unsuccessful. Which, by the way, I get nothing in network. Because it's not letting anything happen. So that's just a local... Like, that gets rid of all the errors, but I think it literally is... not making any outward connection. The error message specifically is refuse to connect. What the hell? Refuse to connect to ws://irc-ws.chat.twitch.tv because it violates the following content security policy directive. Default-src self https : note that connect-src was not explicitly set, so default-src is used as a fallback. And that do be it. I do not know how to fix that. And that's coming from new WebSocket URL IRC connection options. Yeah, the meta tag I shared earlier. Yeah, I have the opt set up exactly as you wrote out there, Cymaster. Ah, Okay, see, I know nothing about content policy, so that sounds like what I needed to know. I don't know how to add that to my list, though. Because there's multiple here. There's default source, style source, unsafe inline. That's style source. Image source. Script source. It's truly weird. I've never done it before, ever. Maybe? I'm also going to look up the syntax. Syntax. That's exactly where I am. Well, actually, I'm in the headers. Directives, child source, defines the valid sources for web workers and nested browsing context. Oh my god, dude. Connect source restricts the URLs which can be loaded using script interfaces. That sounds like a maybe. That sounds like possibly a definitely. There's also script source, specifies valid sources for JavaScript. This has a lot of specificity. So I'm basically trying to marry this to an already existing app, which I don't want to talk about the details of. Sorry for being cryptic. I just noticed the time. I think I want to try to see this through to where it works and connects, though. Wow, replacing content entirely with that? Alright, I'll save the existing one and then try that. So not fast outside of my usual working situation. Okay. Alright, I've added that in there. Let's see what it do. It still violates the directive somehow. What's strange is, so if I put the protocol in, that problem goes away. But then there's a new problem of refuse to execute inline script because it violates the following content security policy directive. Like, I don't know if we're just moving to the next one. Script-source self unsafe eval. Either the unsafe inline keyword, a hash, or a nonce is required to enable inline execution. Unsafe inline. I see. Good lord. Okay, on to the next thing. Refuse to connect to ws:// localhost localhost://ws because it violates the following content security policy directive. Connect source. Oh, I may have added something that wasn't necessary here. When I remove the tag, it fails altogether. Like, I've tried commenting it out. I'll try it again right now, and I'll tell you what happens. It just says error, login unsuccessful. Uncaught, in promise, login unsuccessful. And it doesn't tell me why. And when I go to network, I don't see any actual network activity, so I can't like examine the response back, like bad password or something like that or whatever. It shouldn't be, but well, so the server is just a VS Code extension called Live Server. Launch a development local server with live reload feature. That's it. Right. Well, the thing is without the ability to like troubleshoot this further, I don't know where to even take it from here. I'm gonna try Firefox and see if Firefox magically gives a different error message. Might be more informative, who knows? Ah, This is giving me network. Okay, cap request actually happens. Pass is sent, Nick is sent. Twitch gets the message. Twitch sends the notice, login unsuccessful. No payload for this request. Sure wish this was more informative as to like why, but it is actually connecting, and Twitch is coming back saying no. Okay. This is sort of progress. I just wish that I got a better message than this. Does this sounds right though, yeah? This wouldn't be my redirect URI or whatever. Because I put in just what they said. The example just says just put in local hosts, like 3,000 or something like that. Which obviously that's not what I'm running locally, but like I feel like that shouldn't matter. Is there something unverified here? It's verified. It's email verified. The account I'm trying to use. Okay, yeah. I figured that didn't matter. I feel like normally I'd be able to get some some headers or something. I just don't know what to examine from here, you know? Yeah, I've already got my tokens. Just, the normal stuff I would expect from any application. So get to IRS, or not IRS, IRC, WebSocket chat, Twitch TV. Here we go. Or no. Here we don't go. Yeah, it just doesn't say why login unsuccessful, which is just not useful. My token seems up to date. I did the scopes. I don't know how to check that that's, you know. I do. Wait, tokens? The OAuth token is passing through. OAuth, colon, and then the token. All one big string. And so that's the pass that I'm sending. And then the nick also looks correct. So I am just flummoxed here. Unless there's some other hoop that I didn't jump through.
He has a flat brain.
Tony Stu, thank you for 72 months. So now we're back to local hosting not working. I don't see, I mean, as far as I can tell, this should work. It's able to connect, it's able to pass the information, and it's able to get rejected. Which feels to me like that's all that's necessary, like the connection is happening. I am getting connection closed 1005. Which is probably just a normal WebSocket thing. How do you use this token validator? I could try that real quick and see if it comes back as valid. You leave that box alone, buddy. There's probably a param that I don't know. Validating tokens. Can I just do it manually? Oh, I can do it with curl. Cannot bind parameter headers. Cannot convert the authorization, blah, 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 value into some string. It's okay. Client ID returns the right client ID. Scopes returns fucking nothing. So that's probably the problem? So what the fuck? Why didn't the scopes work that I set before? I'm using the Twitch CLI. I did Twitch token dash S. I'll do actually dash dash scopes. And then it's just a space separated list of scopes to request with your user token, which would be chat read and chat colon read space chat colon edit. Right? Yeah, like that makes me like skeptical that this will actually help. But let's fucking try. New token. Verify it. Scopes comes back blank again. Just empty list. Am I doing it wrong? I'm sending Twitch space token space dash dash scopes space chat colon read space chat colon edit, which is what it prescribes. Scopes equals, and then that shit in quotes. Fuck me, dude. It doesn't say that. It doesn't say that at all. That's not fucking helpful help text. Right? New token. Like, how's somebody supposed to fucking guess that shit? Alright, take 12. Scopes is an empty list again. Maybe validate is just a piece of shit and it just never returns the scopes? Twitch token dash dash scopes equals quote chat colon read space chat colon edit quote send. I don't see how I could do this differently than I've done it. Maybe it has to be a user token. Oh, they link to user access token. But they don't explicitly say that's what they do. Buddy, 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 buddy. Oh, buddy. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck you. Okay, except for this kicked me to what? So this is this kicked me to my default browser. But I don't want to give it access to my account. What on earth? What on earth? Okay. I've given it access to its account. Is the answer back the parameters that it kicks? It doesn't feed it back to the CLI? What the fuck is happening? This is the weirdest shit ever. Last time I did any of this was on the old API. Okay, well that ain't it. That gave me invalid access token. It gave me code equals scope chat read chat edit state and then but it didn't. It didn't give me a token. In PowerShell, it still says opening browser. Press Control-C to cancel. It didn't feed me anything back I can fucking use. Maybe I'm just too stupid for this. I mean, this looks like it would be the token. But when I try to validate it, it says invalid access token. I'm not sure that, I don't know. I'm gonna try plugging it into my script. Fuck it. Oh, God. I just don't know anymore. I've plugged it in. Let's see what happens. Login authentication failed. I'm not using that method, food, or whatever you're talking about. There's a whole other thing. All that's changed here is I tried doing the user access token. I think the fact... So I had it... Okay, so I have a bot account. What I just had it do, the authorization, sorry, that I had it do was connecting to the... I had it open in the browser, so it's authorized on the bot account. But then the code that gets spit back to me here in the URL doesn't validate. So I don't really understand what the fuck. What the fuck? I'm trying this TMI token generator because fuck it. I'm gonna see if it validates. Okay. That fucking validated. Good Christ. I don't get it, man. Why? Fucking who cares? That validates. So now it should connect. I don't understand why the fucking CLI shit is so fucking hard. It has happened. I think it's happened. I'm not getting an error. Yeah, it says connected. Okay, cool. Yeah, I see chat coming through. Nice. It's so fucking convoluted. Yeah. There you go. Shush it, bud. Shush. Shusherino. That is good, yes. It's just the example code that Twitch provides. No, you're entering things that it doesn't understand. It is a D6.
It is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it is. I just was trying to fix this one thing. I have a meeting at 9.
What's he doing? No problem sleeping.
Yeah. Well, I should get out of here since we got this going. Thank you for the help, everybody. That was an irritating mess. I will catch y'all tomorrow. Have a great night. I'll see you later.